You are going to love the 2016 Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a feline bred with a wild streak and a feral yearning to meet or beat any other sports car on the road. This Jaguar F-Type is a thrilling blend of style, luxury, and performance. High power and low weight means effortless speed. F-Type screams uniqueness, speed, and power. In the end, nothing else really matters. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.